Are you in need of skilled QA or QC technicians for your food manufacturing or processing business? Look no further. Food Staff Salinas is here to help. Food Staff Salinas takes pride in being the industry leader in food manufacturing staffing solutions in the Monterey County area. Unlock cost savings and maximize value with our low 39% markup, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. At Food Staff Salinas, our exclusive focus and specialization in the food manufacturing and processing industries enable us to fulfill your staffing needs promptly, precisely when you require them to maintain seamless business operations. We offer flexible staffing solutions to meet the unique demands of your food manufacturing business. Whether you need temporary, seasonal, or permanent staff, Food Staff Salinas has you covered. We cover a wide range of areas, including Salinas, Castroville, Watsonville, San Juan Bautista, Moss Landing, Hollister, and Soledad. Ready to find reliable QA or QC technicians for your food manufacturing business? Contact Food Staff Salinas today and let us satisfy your staffing needs.